Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Wednesday, April 4th. Let's start with the NASDAQ market. Well, we had some news that came out today, and as I mentioned in the advanced video, the key that we're looking for here is consistency of behavior. And yes, we had some, the Federal Reserve minutes that came out, but there was really nothing new there. Factory orders and bookings were down a tad bit. But what we want to look at is how does the market react to it. Now, in the NASDAQ market, they bought it. So it's a very neutral stance at higher prices. There's a lack of conviction here, but buyers are still present. And I think that's something we want to keep in mind. And as I mentioned to you before, the next couple of days are going to be important for us. Now, today, we did not get the right kind of follow through that I'm looking for. So, yesterday, I should say. So for today, for Wednesday, we really want to get up and get going because it's going to tell us something longer term about these markets. I feel the same way about these currencies. Now, the euro did trade back through this sell level, and the difference between that buy level and sell level there is 110 ticks. I am not suggesting that you should do these trades, nor am I suggesting that you would get that kind of return. But what I'm trying to show you is one of the ways that somebody could approach these markets. And the same thing with the Swissy. This difference here between the sell level and the buy level is 120 ticks. And what are we looking for in these markets? The capital flowed what? Away from these currencies towards the US dollar. That's what it says. Is that going to be sustainable? I don't believe it is. So I think we're going to see buying opportunities for these currencies over the next couple days. And if we look at the interest rate markets, let's take a quick look at those guys. They're behaving properly. I mean, look at this. This is absolutely beautiful for the notes and for the bonds, and we are looking for continued weakness in those markets. The markets that really did surprise me a tad bit were gold. For example, we came off the way we came in. This is at levels that we found buyers before, and I'm looking for a bounce for those markets when it comes to metals. Crude oil did exactly what it should do, and I'm looking for more of that same kind of action. Remember, fundamentally, we really shouldn't be seeing higher prices for this guy. And when it comes to the grains, I think we got to be a little cautious up here for soybeans. We have found consistent selling up here, and we may back off a tad bit, but long term, I still think there's room to the upside. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for joining me. Looking forward to being with you again, and in the meantime, take care.